look for the red door, and beyond that red door is a beautiful place.
Wow. This place will surprise you. So, isa sa mga amenities po dito is their head spa. Ayan. So, aside sa meron siyang coffee shop dun sa harap, meron din siyang parang nail services, mga spa. And then, yun nga, nandito tayo sa room nila in which you can have relaxation sa kanilang napakagandang head spa beds. Galing! Again guys, welcome dito po sa Let's Drink. Actually, first impression ko dito, from the name, akala ko it's more of, bar, liquor, and everything. Hindi pala. So, kakaiba pala siya. It's actually a time travel.
Yes, It's sabi nga nila para tayo na sa 1995, pero as for me, it's more than 1995.
Way beyond.
Way beyond, yes.
Kagandahan dito, so nag-order na rin kami. Yung menu nila, they have like salad, pasta, steak. Of course, they have beverages, beers and liquors. Meron din silang mga appetizers, sizzlings.
Sizzling, yes.
Order tayo ng sisig.
Siyempre.
And then mga pika-pika and sandwiches.
Sandwiches,
I mean, if you are like heavy eater, pwede siya. And if you're like casual, parang add-ons dun sa mga drinks ninyo, pwede rin siya.
They can be in one place together.
They can be in one place together na hindi sila mabobore. At speaking of high,
Hi! Kaya ka, Ma'am Lovely.
Lovely.
Ma'am Lovely. Yay!
Para perfect siya, place for barkada, ganyan na gustong bonding, no? Kunyari kailangan nila ng parang place for a group nila, for barkada trip, ganyan. Tapos inuman,
Hindi
chill
siya
lang.
intimidating, no?
Oo,
Hindi siya
alam ko may spa pa, kaya pumasyal kami. Ikot-ikot muna
Okay.
ako. Thank you very much po.
Go.
See you.
See you later. See you later.
Thank you.
We're gonna experience this place.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Let's Drink, for inviting us. This is a great place. Sabi mo nga, it's a place to discover.
Yes.
It's a place for you to find out.
Siguro, iiwan ko sa kanila, look for the red door, and beyond that red door is a beautiful place.
Wow. Okay, so this is our table. This is the food that we ordered.
Yes.
Actually, when we saw the menu, napakamura ng mga as low as like
yeah,
200,
yeah.
250 pesos. You can get a dish actually.
Mga favorites natin na in order.
Favorite talaga natin.
Favorite
Wala
natin
na.
order.
Mark, sinabi mo favorite mo.
Yes.
Mga favorite mo na in order. Ano ba yung mga nasa table?
So on our table, syempre meron tayo dito yung sausage and fries, nachos, tokwat baboy. Meron din tayo syempre sa kanilang sizzling sisig, fish and fries, yung kanilang Charlie Chan for the pasta,
Wow.
and pesto. Syempre, for another sizzling naman, sizzling gambas.
Yes. We've learned na you can actually rent the entire place. So para siyang may consumable. So as low as 12,000 pesos like 4 hours. So you can use the place, use the spa, yung mga dalawang spa natin. You can enjoy it.
Actually, this is good place talaga, lalo na it's a secured one.
Parang chill party
Chilling,
ganyan.
relaxing, and take some sip of coffee.
Yes. This is in the middle of the city, no?
Yes.
Pero pagdating sa loob,
I agree. So,
Yeah,
mga experience daw
that is
nila ng mga pupunta dito, like for example, they come in, nabubukas kasi siya around 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. They can actually get in. Actually, talagang hindi mo nga mapapansin kasi when you get here,
Ibang-iba.
you get to be parang secluded dun sa ingay ng
ng
Koreatown.
city.
Yeah.
Pag ginanintay.
So aside sa mga food guys, they also serve mga beverages. May mga alcohols, liquors, even coffee. So sa mga, non-alcoholic drinkers, they can also, still enjoy the restaurant.
Then meron din silang DIY ramen dun sa harap.
Yeah.
Before kayo pumasok dito, pwede kayo mag-DIY doon.
Unang-una, pagpasok mo, ganito yung ambience.
Yes.
Number 2, so you gotta, like, KTV, bar, tapos meron siyang head spa, which is really total different world na parang dapat relax. Di ba?
Meron din siyang food spa, pedi, and mani.
So, pampaganda naman yan, di ba?
Same time, meron din silang cafe.
Oh, yeah.
So, ibig sabihin, pwede siya sa mga tahimik at pwede siya sa mga maingay. No? Pwede siya sa mga bata, pwede siya sa mga matatanda.
So, I mean, of all ages, male, female, they actually have a place here. Yeah.